In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So if I go to my Instagram and I want to post it, let's say I want to upload a few images. So I want to use this image and this image. I click on next, then click on next again. And as you can see, we have it here, advanced settings, and it should be here. Now, for some people, depending on where you are located, you won't have access to this feature, but maybe one day we will get this feature as well, but that is where you would find it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.